Today I'm going to be demonstrating a new blind spot interface for Cadillac, CUE and Chevrolet Intellilink systems. This can support all systems with a 10-inch screen or an 8-inch screen. Today I'm going to be demonstrating it on a 2016 Cadillac CD6. It comes with the CUE 10-inch system. This is our new interface. It supports 5 video inputs, one for right, one for left, one for front, one for additional camera, and one for additional reverse camera in case the car doesn't have an OEM camera. As you can see, our system overlays a special icon on this OEM system, so while driving or while parking you can use the system to access the multiple cameras. As you can see, we have the right and left being shown, split view. You can use the OEM touchscreen to change to front camera. As you can see, the distance between the car and the front while parking. You have the trailer camera, which you can use for additional wireless or wired camera. You can have right, left, and split view. And if you press the BSV icon again, it'll go back to OEM. The same way, if you use turn signals, it'll show the split view as the standard, while in turn signals you can still use the touchscreen to change the views. The same way, when you take auto turn signal, it'll show the front, and after a couple of seconds it'll go back to OEM. The same way, if you turn on the other turn signal, it'll switch again, and once turning it off it'll show front and turn off after a while. You can also turn off the front function from the OSD menu, and when you put the car in reverse, it'll show you the OEM reverse, or you can select aftermarket reverse. And while in OEM reverse, you can also use the icon, and it'll give you the OEM reverse plus right and left split on the same screen, so it makes it very easy to park. The same way, you can click it again and it'll go to full screen. Again, when you put it out of reverse, it'll show you the front automatically for a couple of seconds and then switch back to OEM. So again, if you use the icons while driving, you can turn on the split view for right and left blind spots while driving on a highway. You can turn on the front camera while parking, reversing, right, left, split, back to OEM, turn signals, and back to OEM. Thank you.